In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload all the files to your website through the FileZilla FTP application. So, of course, you need to install FileZilla, and I showed you where to get FileZilla in the second video, or the earlier videos. So go ahead and do that if you haven't. And in order to connect to your website, you need to have a web hosting account. When you create the web hosting account, they're going to give you information like host, username, and password. So enter that into here, which is normally going to look like ftp dot whatever your domain is .com, your username, and then your password. Once you're done with that, click on Quick Connect, and you will be sent to that page. Now, before I do anything more, I want to go to the folder at which the files are located. So the files are located here, and I find the easiest way, if you're using a Windows system, is to locate the folder at to which it's located and click on the top here. It's going to share with you the location, where it is. So right click and copy, go back over here, and FileZilla is split up into two sections. This section over here is your computer section. So if I go here and right click, paste, enter, that's the files that I've been working on. The right side here is your website. So when I connect, normally you'll see this stuff here, and then you'll see like public_HTML or HTTP docs. You'll need to find out from your web host where you need to upload the files. Now if you use HostGator or servant.net, it's going to be the public_HTML folder. Once you get here, you're probably going to not see anything here. So what you need to do here is create a folder, or if you're going to upload it directly to your main site, all you have to do is drag and drop it into here. But because I already have folders here, I'm going to create a new directory called cbtest. Click OK. And this is the location where I will upload the files. Now, as you can see here, I've got the files here, and I'm basically going to drag and then drop it here. Now what's happening now is it's uploading the files from my computer to this area here, which is my website. Now that is complete, here are my files right here, and I'm pretty much done now. The next thing I need to do is just add this to the product page and the site information and so forth. So for example, you need to know the location of this index.html. If you upload it to a specific site, then go to that main site and you'll be able to find that. So for example, I uploaded this, let's see here, I'll go here. And I uploaded the files, and as you can see, this is a live page. And I'm basically going to go back here and make sure that the link directly to the thank you page is here, and the pitch page we're going to talk about in video number 9 as to where you put that and the site information. In this specific video, we're going to talk about completing the site information and adding your pitch page and so forth. So to get to this page, you click on My Site at the top, and then click on the marketplace information, click on the edit button to right, and then you'll get this page here. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a category, a main category first. So as you can see, we've got a lot of categories here. Now this product here fits in the e-business and e-marketing main category. Once you've chosen that category, you're going to see a bunch of subcategories. And I'm going to pick social media marketing, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. And as you can see here, it says if you just created your account, your pitch page is going to be located here. So you want to enter http colon whatever your domain is .com slash so actually this would be your domain name, so this would be your pitch page. So remember, ClickBank, they want your pitch page to be located on the whatever your domain.com is. You don't need to fill out both of these if you don't want to, but it would probably be in your best interest to do so if you can create a mobile hop link target URL, so that if somebody's surfing on their mobile phone, their iPhone, their BlackBerry, or whatever, they're going to be able to purchase your product through that avenue. This is what's going to show up in the marketplace. And remember, in the marketplace, most likely the affiliate is going to promote the product. So you want to enter the title, whatever your title is. So we could do something like local fan page blueprint. Create Facebook pages, fan pages for local brick and mortar businesses. And you usually want to state what your product is. If it's a video course, it's a software, and so forth. You want to include that. This video course shows you how to create Facebook fan pages for local brick and mortar businesses. And you might want to include a little blurb about the commissions, so that if affiliates are watching this, then they know it too. So you can give up to, you can go beyond, 75. You can give, 50. You can give 75% commissions. So you could say 75% commissions for affiliates. And then once you're done, you click on Save Changes, and that's it. Now when you begin in your first thing, you're going to submit this, and you'll submit the product information. When you submit the product information and you want it to get to approve, make sure that everything is right, make sure that everything is compliant to ClickBank, and submit that, and then wait. Once your product is approved, you're going to have to pay $49.95. But fortunately, you don't have to pay that for every single product that you create in the future. Testing your payment link is a two-step process. Step number one, you need to log into your ClickBank account. Click on My Site at the top. Scroll all the way to the bottom and look for this box here that says Testing Your Products. Click Edit, fill in the details, and ClickBank will give you a test credit card number, as you can see here. And it'll give you the card expiration date and the card validation code. Once you have this information in hand, you can move to step number two. Step number two, what you want to do is you want to go to your pitch page or your sales page, and you want to click on your payment button. Clicking on your payment button before getting approved to ClickBank will send you to this page. Use the information that you were given in step number one and enter that information here. Click on Pay Now, and if the process works, then ClickBank will forward you, to the receipt and to your thank you page and so forth. And that's it. If everything works great, then you're good to go and you can submit your product for approval. If you still have problems, double check everything, make sure everything's right, and if you have problems, contact ClickBank. And ClickBank does provide good service as well. But it's a very, very easy process, two-step process that you should be able to do fairly quickly and easily. So congratulations, you are done with this video series. By now, you should be able to understand how to take your product and set it up on the ClickBank network.